Hello, my name is Paula, and I received some mail today that I'm wanting to share with you. It's from Ipsy. No, it's not my Ipsy glam bag, but it is something else that I've ordered, and you can see I've not opened it, so I'm not exactly sure what it's going to look like. So if you want to see what is in my box, keep watching. If you're new to my channel or you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and if you like what you're seeing and hearing, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, so let's open this box from Ipsy. I ordered, they had some different bags that you could order, so I ordered a spa day kit and I think it was a spring mystery bag. And so here is the bag. I guess this is the bag because it's in a bag. Oh, and look at this pretty box. Yes. Well, of course it has. Let me open it too. Gotta open everything. Everything's taped, but that's okay because then that way I know nobody's been in it or to mess it up. This is the spa day. Has lots of foam. It says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." That kind of goes along with you need to be who you are and not who someone else is. I like that. Okay, so there's not a card or anything, so I'm not quite sure what all it is, so we're fixing to find out. Let's look at the first one here. Acid wash, apple cider, vinegar cleansing rinse. Strip down to your natural state with acid wash designed to cleanse without removing oils or color. This rinse acid softens hair, calms the scalp, and adds dramatic shine. So this is for your hair. Acid wash. And look, it's kind of like acid wash jeans. That's pretty cool. Okay. The next one is from Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Moisture Conditioner, nourishes dry hair. And we also have the shampoo. So you have both of those together. And this spa day was $14. That's what I paid for it. Perlice coconut oil plus cranberry silky body butter. Got a glare on it. There we go. Let's see what it smells like. I didn't smell the others. I probably should. Ooh, it's got a safety seal. I like that. You know, I really figured you could smell the coconut a lot, but you really can't. You can't really smell. I don't know that it really has much of a smell to it. I don't think it does. Okay, let's see if this acid wash does. Oh, it has a seal to it too. And I'm not going to unseal it right now because I have some other hair product that I'm using. And so I don't want to, they all do. I don't want to undo them because I don't want it to ruin or something before I get to it. And then the last thing in here is Joel Smith Beauty Bath Bomb Peace Out. And there's 3 of them. So that would be my spa in a box. I may have to do the bath bombs. I took a bath this morning and I used some calming Epsom salts for my day. But there's my Ipsy spa day. It was $14, and on the website they said that all the products in here would have been worth $37.56. So that's pretty good buy. I mean, I'm just buying because I'm in quarantine. My husband may want me to quit buying. Okay, so this is the spring mystery bag from Ipsy. Let's see what is in it. Oh no, I'm so sorry, I messed up. The spa day they said was $78 worth of products for 16, and I got it for 16. Whoops. Okay, so here's the spring bag. It's kind of got peach and like a minty green on it. A little minty green circle here, and it says Ipsy. Like that, that's cute. Okay, the first thing we have is Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Here we go. Sugar Lip Polish, Pina Colada. Ooh, it does smell like Pina Colada, and it's just like a little sugar scrub. Yep, just like a little sugar scrub for your lips. That'll be good. Okay, the next one is Hemp's Triple Moisturizer Herbal Whipped Body Cream. All Day Moisturizer. It doesn't have much of a smell to it, which that's okay, because sometimes you have other smells from other things, so you don't want them to interact with each other. Belief, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Apply evenly to face and neck. Do you like how I smell everything? Ooh, that is creamy. I like that. That is really creamy. Yeah. It's not, there we go. Look at that. Finally got it to focus. Good. Okay. Okay, the next thing we have is by Celine Tadrisi Celia. It's a Seed to Skin Body Scrub. Focus. It's in a really cute, pretty little container there. It's has a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to open it because I don't, like I say, I don't want to get everything messed up. Okay, there's one more thing in here, and it is Rose Absolute First Serum, and it's just a facial serum. Aromatic. And this mystery bag was, it has a safety seal also, was $14. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sample size products. 5 sample size products in the bag for $14. And they did say, now this one is the one that they said was $37.56. My bangs are going all crazy. $37.56 on the website. So this one, the spa day, was $16 and it was worth $78, and this one was worth $37.56 and I paid $14 for it. So that's what I got in my Ipsy orders today. So I'm excited about everything I got. I didn't open it all because I want to save it for later. Now I did order another spring mystery bag because I want to give one to my sister. I'm really anxious to see if it has the same things in it. I don't know. It'll be fun to find out because I ordered the spring one and a February one because I've just now started in all this, so I thought, why not? You know, I'm having fun with it. Let's just see what all is in it. Have you gotten any of the mystery bags or any of the spa days? Drop me a comment below and let me know. Have you gotten them? Did you like them? What do you think about them? Was it worth $14? Was this worth $16? I think so, but what do you think? Drop me a comment below. I hope you liked this video and me unboxing some of the things that I received in the mail today. And as always, be the beauty you are meant to be. Bye-bye.